Alright, bring down the average. So I'm going to be covering ER diagrams as well, but this time I'll be going into more depth about them. Alright. Alright, so welcome. Please can everyone just get up Lucidchart again and just create a new document, or Draw.io, whichever one you feel more comfortable using yourself.
So just tell me what it's like. It's not going to work. Is it done? Was it loose? Yeah, I was going to say. Is it working? Try a different slot.
Okay, so I'm going to just become what are ERDs, what cardinality is, and how to create them using Lucidcharts, and then primary and foreign keys. So who knows what ERDs are?
Relationship diagram.
Does anyone know what cardinality means? Does anyone know any of the actual symbols and what they mean?
I thought that was
One,
zero,
any one of many.
I thought that was like cardinal direction.
0, 1,
yeah,
0.
it's like no one.
What does
You don't know what's on
No, I get it.
Well, you the bottom two. Yeah. Alright.
Okay, so these are all the different types now. These are called cardinalities. These are all the ones you can use. They all work on each and every other way. So you can do many to many like that, where they go both sides, or like one to many on one side. If that makes sense. Do the next one. So, how do foreign keys relate to primary keys? Does anyone know?
But just the primary keys of another table. Alright.
Yeah. They just, well, they pretty much just reference them. So what you just said, basically. Ways. So this is what an actual ER diagram looks like. So you have the key, which is your primary and foreign keys. Then you have like your actual type of field. So that's all your like names and all that. And then you've got your strings, integers, all your different data types on this side. And these are the ones that link to each different part, as you can see here, many to many. Then it goes one to many as well, many to many, and then such on like that. Next one. Yeah. Alright, so on Lucidchart, there's just a quick reminder on how to get set up properly. On that, I think you've all got that set up correctly, haven't you? If you do need any of this help, it is all on on Teams, where all the other ones are, just on Harrison's ER diagrams. Okay, so I want you to create an ER diagram related to how the one I've done it before, but this time we'll give John tutoring using the mark scheme that you should all have access to, that I'm aware about. And you just need to make it follow the different like data types and how they correctly want it for their website. If you need any help, one else will come around and help you. Just put your hand up and ask.
Yes.
No.
Yeah, so I'll show the answer now then. So that's the one I've done. It's a bit of a mess, but you can see all the like keys on there and how it links to each different database from it. I know some of it's like hard to see, but when it gets bigger and bigger, they always get like really complicated and big. So the lines get really confusing after a while. These just the ones that are here are just really connected to different points of the database and other ones, which are the important ones. So like the scores going to the leaderboards, the calendar will go to to the test and everything. Does that all make sense, everyone? Is there any questions about SQL? any questions about that whole section then? About ER diagrams? So I'm going to just give you a quick run through on like SQL and just all the main like syntax. So has anyone actually done SQL before or used it?
Unfortunately.
So you'll kind of know what it is in that. So I was going to run through some of the symbols so you just understand it a little bit quickly. So there's quite a few like different symbols on this. So you get the select, it's just selecting which database. So like on the ER diagram you get your accounts and then calendar, or you select one of them. And then delete will just completely get rid of it. Update just updates the database with any new information that you've just created. Then creating tables is one of the important ones. It's just creating a new like part of the database. And then one of the main ones is drop-in index. Does anyone know what that means? Properly.
Delete from where?
Yeah, it's just deleting the hot one section out of it. So yeah, that's it. Is there any questions overall? Alright, can everyone just go fill out the feedback form that should be found on Teams? Thank you.
What's it index?
Index?
Oh, is that just a column?
Yeah.
And for my section,